Ready to take control of your finances and say goodbye to debt for good? Debt doesn't have to be a part of your story. You can avoid it with the right mindset and smart money habits. In today's video, we're diving into practical tips to help you avoid falling into the debt trap and manage your finances like a pro. Stick around to learn how small, intentional steps can lead to a life of financial freedom. Let's get started. Hey friends, if you're feeling trapped by debt, don't worry. You're not alone, and there is a way out. This video is your guide to understanding debt, avoiding it, and climbing out of it if you're already in over your head. Let's break it down in simple, practical steps. What is debt, and why can it be a problem? Debt is money you borrow that needs to be paid back, whether it's a loan, a credit card balance, or a bond. Some debt, like a home loan or a student loan, can be manageable. But when it starts controlling your life, when you're missing payments, borrowing more to stay afloat, or struggling to save, it's time to act. Top tips to stay out of debt. 1. Know what you're signing up for. Always read the fine print before taking out a loan or opening a credit account. Understand the interest rates, late payments, and what happens if you miss a payment. 2. Don't let credit card debt build up. Use credit cards wisely. Treat them as a backup, not your go-to. Pay off your balance in full every month if possible, and stick to using debit cards for everyday expenses. 3. Create a budget. Make a plan for your money. Start with your income, subtract bills and essentials, and what's left is yours to spend or save. Keep track so you don't overspend and end up in the red. 4. Save for the future. Build a habit of saving money regularly, even if it's a small amount. Having savings helps you avoid relying on credit when unexpected expenses pop up. 5. Build an emergency fund. Life happens. Cars break down and bills surprise us. Aim to save 2 to 3 months worth of expenses to protect yourself from financial emergencies. Already in debt? Here's how to take back control. Focus on priority debts. Start with the most important debts, like rent, mortgage, and utilities. Once those are covered, tackle smaller debts like credit cards or personal loans. 2. Pay more than the minimum. If you only pay the minimum on your credit card, it could take decades to pay off. Prioritize paying as much as you can afford to reduce your debt faster. 3. Get professional advice. If creditors are breathing down your neck and you feel overwhelmed, don't hesitate to seek help. Debt advisors can create a plan tailored to your situation. 4. Consider debt solutions. If you're unable to repay all your debts, formal debt solutions might help. These programs can lower what you owe and give you a fresh start. How debt affects your credit score. Your credit score tells lenders how reliable you are with money. Falling behind on payments lowers your score, making it harder to borrow for things like a car, home, or education. Protect your credit by staying on top of payments and being mindful of your borrowing habits. Remember, you're not alone and you're not stuck forever. Whether you're avoiding debt or working your way out of it, every small step you take matters. Start today, stay consistent, and watch your financial health improve. If this helped you, give it a thumbs up. Share it with someone who needs to hear it, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on managing your money like a pro. You've got this.